The U.S. Department of Energy just launched the biggest AI collaboration with 24 tech giants. This will change everything about energy and national security. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, December 19th, 2025. The DOE's Genesis mission is a game changer, bringing together OpenAI, Google, NVIDIA, and 21 others, plus 17 national labs and 40,000 researchers. It targets breakthroughs in nuclear energy, quantum computing, and manufacturing. OpenAI just opened the floodgates for third-party devs to plug apps like Photoshop and Spotify into ChatGPT through their new marketplace. This turns ChatGPT from a chatbot into a versatile app platform. Figure AI's CEO Brett Adcock is betting big with $100 million of his own money on Hark, a new AI lab focused on building AI that reasons proactively and self-improves, pushing frontier AI beyond the usual suspects. OpenAI just dropped GPT-5.2 Codex, their strongest coding AI yet, with beefed-up cybersecurity features aimed at professional developers working on complex code and secure software. Mistral's OCR3 is shaking up document AI, boasting a 74% win rate over its predecessor and powering tools that convert complex scanned documents and handwriting into clean, usable text. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI breakthrough excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.